Whether you accidentally hit delete or want to revisit a memory, this video will guide you through the simple process of accessing your Instagram deleted content. So, let's get started. First of all, please be sure that your recently deleted photos and videos are stored for 30 days before they're permanently deleted. So if you deleted something, please be sure to recover it before 30 days. Let's see how to access your recently deleted folder on the Instagram app. Open the Instagram app. Log into your Instagram account on your smartphone. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture to access your profile page. In the top right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. Under the Settings menu, tap on Your Activity. Scroll down until you see the Recently Deleted setting and tap on it. Tap or click on the post you want to bring back from the digital graveyard. Tap in the 3 dots menu. Tap or click on the Restore button to move the post back to its original location in your profile. If you want to permanently delete this data, just tap or click on the Delete button to permanently remove the post from your account and the recently deleted folder. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Tap or click Delete again to permanently erase the post. Before tapping or clicking on the Delete button, take a moment to make sure you really want to get rid of the post. So there you have it. Now you know how to access your recently deleted Instagram posts and how to recover or permanently delete them. Remember to use these tools wisely and to back up your important Instagram content regularly. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.